has been a rise in the number of video clips on TikTok. And I know all of you are on TikTok. There has been a number of video clips on TikTok and other social media platforms where people film themselves behaving like nurses who mistreat patients. We have seen that happening. It worries us. It worries us. These videos often show nurses being discourteous, shouting patients' diagnoses for all to hear, especially in cases of sensitive conditions such as sexually transmitted infections. They also show nurses being unkind to young patients who are pregnant or those who are in labor ward. It is always tempting for us to be defensive or to dismiss these clips as exaggeration or misrepresentations of the reality. While we defend nurses, because it's not all of them who actually do that, but we must pause and reflect, because more often than not, such portrayals come from somewhere. Such portrayals are somebody's experiences. Although they are dramatized, to some extent, they are actually based on reality. So instead of being defensive, perhaps we must take a moment to consider our very own conduct and ensure that this is not how patients experience our service. It's a request we are making. When we go back, asingakwenzi okwenziwa abadala okubi, asingakufundi okubi. Let us also monitor the conduct of our own colleagues. And again, I want to emphasize that it's not all the nurses who are treating patients badly. It's very few within the profession who do that. But that very few number, iyasingcolisa sonke. And if we don't do something about it, our profession will be looked down upon very, very soon.